Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to make a triangle knot. This knot is super easy and can be used to create fancy patterns for different macrame projects. In our last video we saw how to set up macrame workstation on a rod with some hooks. So if you don't have a rod or any hooks and want to work on the table, simply tie a scrap piece of string on a ring or on a wooden dowel and tape it on the table. This will fix your project and will help you work better. Take two strings and tie a lark's knot. Now observe how I work with the strings to make a triangle knot. Pull the strings and adjust them. Arrange the strings to make a neat looking knot. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a cross knot. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby? Watch the next video, Macrame Cross Knot.